Welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are an online graphic design school with over 15 years experience in teaching web design, graphic design, and UX UI. We create future graphic designers who graduate with us with confidence and creative competencies, and we are very proud of our graduates when they leave us with cutting-edge design skills, highly marketable career prospects, and a strong commercial portfolio. For more information, visit us at www.blueskygraphics.co.uk.
So the first video will be about WordPress and Elementor. We are here in the dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to show you how we create a new page with Elementor and edit it. So I went to Pages, Add New. Now I can call it, give it a name here, Home, and edit with Elementor. So first things I will do, we can see on the left side, we have all the widgets. Open a new section with one column. And under Advanced, I can give it a padding. So we can see the image that I'm going to put in. Let's say 10% and 10% at the bottom. And under Style, Background, choose an image. Choose that image, insert, and center it. So you can see the whole image. So that's going to be the first section. Next step, I'm going to open a new section with 2 columns this time. So in one column, I will have the image widget, drag and drop it, choose a different image. And on the left column, heading and text editor. So I can click on the column, bring it to the middle. And now I'm on the heading under Style, really change the text color, typography, and the size. So as you can see, it's very easy. Go back to the widgets. Now I'm going to use the button, call to action button, like book now, register, send. So I have the text here, book now. I can add an icon, some maybe nice arrow from the icon library. Obviously, it's going to be after the text. And I have the spacing for the icon. Style typography, we can choose the same font. Typography for the button. And everything here under style will be the design itself, which means the color, the typography, and all our widgets. Book now, and then I can have hover. So the background color might change when I hover. It's very important, a bit of interaction and hover animation. Let's choose float. Have some space between the widgets, between the sections, sorry. Maybe 2 and bottom 3, 3 and 3. And then I can open a new section, again with 2 columns. Now it's very easy. I can really right-click, copy, and paste it, the image widget, and obviously change the image. Something else. And again here. And there is another thing. If I'm deciding to drag and drop a whole new widget, now I can copy it, but now paste style. So I'm going to have exactly the same style. Copy, paste. Click on the column, and then middle. Now, next thing I want to do is to add some testimonials. So I can open a new section. search for the testimonial carousel, which is here. Drag and drop it. And I have those slides. So each slide is going to be testimonial from different clients. I have the content itself, image, find that guy, his name. And again, maybe a different. Great. I can always check my layout, and very important thing, I can see how it looks on my tablet and mobile. I need to make sure that my website is responsive. I'm going to go to mobile. See, it's fine. Maybe the heading, style. Then I can see that it's going to change only in my mobile. That icon. Size to make sure it's not too big for the mobile. Center it. Center. And then go back to the desktop. Publish it. Have a look. And we have our page. Great. So that was Elementor with some simple widgets. And next video I will make about XD.